Hey, what's going on? Beautiful and blessed souls. Your favorite entrepreneur, King So, is checking in from the land of our ancestors, which is Africa. As you guys know, I'm originally from the US, which is America, and I've been in Africa traveling throughout this beautiful country over the last year. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe because I'm going to start sharing a lot of these videos on how the world understand how I've been able to be financially free, sharing amazing opportunities here on this internet, which is the most powerful form of technology in the world. Now, if you guys new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you guys get any value from this video, feel free to comment and also like. So I know you guys seen the money making online opportunity. And guess what, guys? I have 13 years of experience. And if you watch this video to the end and you also apply the knowledge, I can guarantee you will earn. I'm not going to give you a figure. I'm not going to give you a certain amount. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to calculate everything at the end and you're going to be able to print your own paycheck. All right. Is that okay? Is that good enough? All right. I found this amazing opportunity. And yes, guys, it's 1000% legit. And I will go over details with that in just a second because I like for my audience to get into things, right? To where they can believe in these things and know that it's 100% real. And of course, they don't want to work hard not to get paid anything. And it's a lot of things that's running online to where you're referring this paid person here, you're sharing this opportunity there, and then when it's time to get paid, there's no paycheck. But on this channel, you guys won't get none of that. All right. You guys won't get none of that. All right. Well, what you see right now on my screen is basically my link tree. All right. So I have different tabs, how I'm currently earning online. All right. I'm going to give you specific instruction and feel free to connect with me on my Facebook. Not doing too much on Instagram. Feel free to connect with me on my TikTok as I will be displaying a lot more content while I'm here in the motherland, enjoying, investing, and living my financially free life. All right. So with this link tree, it will be a link right below in the description, and you guys will be able to access this. Now, first, what I want you to do is download WhatsApp because that's the best and easiest way to connect to me. All right, because my social media stay full of messages. So if you see right here, message me on WhatsApp. All right. Once you download WhatsApp, you click that button, right? You're gonna instantly come to a group where you're gonna see me assisting and helping everyone, including yourself. All right. Now let's get to this online uh cash grab or whatever you guys want to call it, because I know you guys want to get your significant others, your children, your family something great for Christmas. And sometimes around this time, pockets can be a little tight. All right. If you guys don't celebrate Christmas, it's no worries. I truly understand. But back home in the States, I think that's like a major holiday, and maybe other places around the world that actually celebrate Christmas. So we want to get somebody that we love something nice, all right, to let them know that we appreciate them for being in our lives, all right. And if you're one of those persons and your cash is pretty tight around this time, I am about to help you, all right. But you're gonna have to watch this video and you're gonna have to apply the knowledge in this video. Make sure you check subscribe. Now, I'm going to say this is the Christmas money heist. All right. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but make sure you take action today. Do not hop off this video and say, I'm going to do it later. All right. Do it right now because the people who take action is usually the action makers and the action takers, if you know what I'm saying. All right. Now, you guys want to be able to get $40 per person with no investments. Yes, guys, you hearing it out my mouth. There's no investments. Not saying you have to spend something, but there's no investment required. All right. So you're going to come right here to my second tab in this link. Get 40 per referral by signing up here. What it's going to take you, it's going to take you to a big platform called Rakuten. All right. Now, what we're going to do, as you guys can see, it's also advertised right here on the company website. Get your $40 bonus today. Now, some of you guys may think this skinny, but no, I actually been a part of Rakuten for over a year. I've earned some significant amount of income, and I know that they love to pay people just like you by doing a simple task. Now, you guys can go. Trustpilot is one of the most trusted resources when it comes to doing reviews on the company to see if a company is actually 100% legit and real. So I went ahead and pulled this up just for you guys, right? So we see that Trustpilot on Rakuten.com in the US is excellent, right? It is excellent, not good, not great, but you see the amount of reviews, which is right at 33,000 reviews. All right. So I'm going to be able to help you as soon you get to my link tree. Make sure you click on this link. Do not go directly to the website if you want assistance by me. I'm going to show you guys how to market, how to advertise, and I'm going to check and see if you're completing every single task. All right. And your name needs to also show in my back office as being referred by Lorenzo. If you guys want my personal assistance, and I'm gonna show you how to get that bag, how to grab that cash. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, guys. But anyway, once you go ahead and click this link, I want you guys to sign up, right? Sign up. You can sign up on the computer or you guys can sign up on your smartphone. All right. Make sure your smartphone is getting you some smart money. Because if not, you got a dumb phone. If you're not getting no paysa, you got a not such of a smartphone. All right, let's get back into this. Now, once you click here and you be referred by Lorenzo, after you message me on WhatsApp, I'm gonna give you the go ahead and understand this deal is not gonna last for long. So some of you guys probably want to be like, well, how much could I make? Well, the income is definitely unlimited. All right. So this is, let's just say we're going to go here to the online calculator. Let's say if you refer about 50 people for free and 50 people go ahead and buy their loved one a gift from our website. And the reason the $40, you will earn the $40 commission if a person were to buy a gift from the website. All right. It's no investment, but understand for Christmas, you're going to buy somebody something anyway. So you might as well get paid for it, right? So we have in Rakuten, you guys is going to see your favorite stores that you visit, such as Walmart, such as Target, if you're back home in the US, uh, Macy's, JC Penney, Gucci, all the favorite stores, even your favorite restaurants in there, even your favorite grocery stores in there, even Amazon, eBay, the places you want to travel to. So it's a lot of things back there. And the best thing about making sure you guys have this app, because if you haven't been getting cash back on everything that you spend cash on, I won't say that you're losing, but you're not winning as big as you should be winning. Because what if you earn 5, 10, 50%, 5 to 15% cash back on everything that you spend cash on? No, this site isn't jacked up with the prices. You guys get the regular sites from the regular stores. You guys can go compare and contrast. If you go to Amazon, something is $1, it's $1 back there on the app. They just going to reward you by being on the database and shopping through our platform. All right. So with that being said, let's say you refer 50 people, right? 50 people times $40 per person. That's why you guys see the thumbnail. That's 2,000. And I'm pretty sure you guys know more than 50 people, whether they're on your social media, whether they're your associates, whether they're your friends, or whether they're your family. You know 50 people that's about to get somebody something for Christmas. All right. Well, why not get compensated for it? Now, let's say if you guys have been doing online marketing and you guys have a network, a warm network, and this may be something that you guys want to share this to them. Let's say if you more on my skill, right, and be able to share this with at least 200 people. 200 people times $40. So whopping $8,000 before Christmas. Yeah, you can get a lot of gifts, huh? All right. But let's say you do have some online experience and you're gonna post on your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, and also you're gonna send a private message to your friends, your buddy, and your family. And you was able to accomplish 100 successful referrals underneath your link, right? Could an extra this help you? Could an extra 4K help you around this time of year? If you answer yes, I want you guys to comment how many people that you will be sharing your link with in the description. And feel free to share my video so people can understand exactly how to go through this process. Like I said, it's no investment required, but once you guys actually sign up for the platform, make sure you use your real email. Right? Make sure you use your real information because you want this real paycheck. And all you have to do is understand that I'm going to get my loved one something for Christmas anyway. I might as well give them this cologne from Macy's, this perfume from Macy's. I might as well get my girl this lingerie. I might as well, get go to this restaurant for Christmas Eve or something. I can keep on going on and on, but we're not going to do that in this video. So with that being said, if you guys got value, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure that you like because I'm coming back with so much. All right. I'm a very skilled individual when it comes to earning online. I want to make sure I get you to the right opportunity that pays out real income. And I don't do any of that bad stuff like a lot of people just do just to get on here. And I'm going to work with you guys personally. That's why I want you guys to join my WhatsApp. Now, once you click the link, once you join my WhatsApp group, right? Once you go ahead and register to this amazing app where we all can trust, you should be able to trust it. You can also go do your own personal reviews. I am going to be the person that help you. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, make sure you drop them in my WhatsApp and I'm waiting on you guys. With that being said, love, peace, and blessings. I wish you guys the rest and the best of the 2025 year. And also a good reason that you need to subscribe to my channel because I'm launching a big opportunity and it's going to be free to join. Yes, I say free to join. All right. And I'm going to help you if nobody else help you. All right. I want to be your business mentor. I want to be your coach. I also have some of my credentials that's also in the link tree. So if you guys think I'm nobody, you guys can go read this. Recognized as one of the top business coaches in the world, documented on business.org. And in 2021 and 2020, I was recognized as the top network marketer in the world in the top 1,000, which was a big accomplishment by how many lives I've been able to change. All right. And definitely the type of I was getting in, you know what I mean? So I'm not new to this, but I'm true to this. So, with that being said, I want you guys to just follow these simple instructions. I want you to join my WhatsApp, right? I want you to go ahead and join and subscribe to the app. And I want you guys to be ready to share your link, just like I have one, and to get this pacer because we all need a little extra coming around this time because it could be a little tough. Jobs usually lay a lot of people off around December. Jobs usually don't allow people to work overtime or work extra because we have so many holidays. All right. We have Christmas holidays, we have New Year's holidays, and some people will maybe off about 2 weeks of work. And if you guys just needed that little extra boost, I am a message away. All right. This uh opportunity in this company has millions of users. So by you seeing those small amount of reviews, about time you get on your app, right? And you go to my link, you download it, you're gonna see this app has millions of users and it's great reviews all throughout the app. We know everything. It's gonna make be a handful of bad reviews, but you're gonna see everything about life. Something is gonna be small is gonna be bad, but the good definitely outweighs the bad. And I know you guys is gonna play, and you guys is gonna get paid. All right, I want you guys to take massive action because if you watch this video in its entirely and you were to click off this video and not go to that link in my description and sign up, you really didn't want it. All right, don't wait till the night, don't wait till tomorrow. Take action right now. With that being said, your favorite entrepreneur, King Soul, better known as Mr. Less Work, when we talking business, is out the building. Yes, I'm about to go get my wig split. About to go get something done to this little afro out here. I'm living my natural life here in Africa. You'll have an amazing travel opportunity that's right here somewhere on this link. So I want to help you guys save, get cash back on everything you spend cash on, travel the world like an insider, travel the world for free, enjoy life, and become financially free. Because at the end of the day, we no slaves to nobody. All right. We print our own paycheck with our own hustle, with our own grind. Never forget that. It's good to have a job, but is it good to have a job for forever and die with a job? No. A job gives you seeds to plant. When you plant those seeds, your harvest will grow. Love, peace, and blessings on my shit. Y'all know the vibes. Let's work.